Hello, exploratory chemistry. We are going to go through this assignment, and the assignment that we're doing today is ionic bonding. And I'm going to ask those people in the audience that are talking, please just not. All right, so the first thing you got to do is count the protons and electrons, and you add them. So in this particular one, 5p and 6e, that's 6 negative and 5 positive. That is a -1. So in this particular answer, it'd be B. So once again, you just add these two together. On this one, this is the exact same thing from Science 9. All you're doing is predicting and naming the ionic compound. Here, you find the charge at the top of your periodic table. If you don't have one, or if you're looking for a periodic table, there's one you should have, and there's also one in the classroom exploratory chem PowerPoint. You can find most things here. If you don't know how to do something, go through the PowerPoint. And on here, I've instituted a couple of different things like the charges on the periodic table. And just right here, all you do for this one is put the charge on top and cross them and place them as a subscript, or in this particular case, you can't, you just put it in there. So you got Na plus O. You look at Na, that's a 1, O, that's a 2, and then you cross them. So in this particular case, it's going to be Na2O. You do the same thing with H plus F, and in H plus F, all you do is H is 1, F is 1, they cancel out. So in this particular one, all you would have to do is H, F. You can name this. This is actually hydrofluoric acid, but because it starts with an H, anything that starts with an H, it's some kind of acid in this class. Name the ionic compound. You name hydrogen fluoride. And then that's it. And this would be hydrogen monfluoride, but in this case, we're going to treat it like an ionic compound, but it's really not, because hydrogen is not a metal. That's it's gonna be polar, but it's not gonna be. Here's a traditional ionic compound. Magnesium, same thing. Get the charges. Believe magnesium is 2, and nitrogen is 3. You just cross the 3 over to magnesium, and the 2 over to nitrogen. So this would be Mg3 N2. Just like any ionic compound, you name the metal, drop the end of the nonmetal, and add "ide." Nitride. I think I spelled that wrong or something. Nitride. Okay, and that's it. That's all you do. And then you just complete the same thing. We're not asking for molecular weight on this time, but even if we were, you would just add up the number of, in this case, sodium, and the number of oxygen, and add their atomic weights together. Okay, that's it. Thank you.